Hello viewers, welcome to my channel itechsolution. Today I will discuss another topic of Windows control panel, which is font settings. And you see this is control panel, and I will click on fonts to show details fonts installed in this PCs, and these are the fonts available in this computer. And it is easy to install any font you have downloaded for your computer, because you just copy the font file and right click on this option and paste here, and it will automatically added to your computer. This is most easy topic to install font. Next is that whenever you want to hide your font, it can be possible. Suppose this font is not required for a while, then you click on this hide, then it will not show in your software, suppose Word, Excel, etc. And here also uninstall is there, that is delete font option is there. This font can be removed from this font area, and throw out, this is option delete. And preview is also there, that is if you want to see the preview of this text arrows, you see preview, click on preview. These are the text arrows that will be shown in your typing text. So this after this I will go into these options of font settings. You see what are the font settings is here. It is also suggesting that it can be hide any font that is not required to design for your input settings, input language settings. And it is also instruction setting, that is short method can be applied, that is to save space on your computer. You can choose to install a shortcut to a font file instead of the file itself. If the font file becomes unable, you must be able to use this one. That is, one shortcut method can be applied for this. This option is here. So next option is it is online method, online Microsoft website where font registration process is there. This is clear type text, that is I have selected some text to show on my screen, but quality is not decided, so it called that clarity of the screen text. So you see my screen is LCD monitor, then I will go to the next. First step is that is this is clearer than this, so next, okay, it is also that this is clearer than that in second step, and it suggests also this third step, it is also clearer to that other three. So it is fourth method, that is it is suggested settings of your font screen on your screen. It is on my screen, it is sufficient as clear as I will be visible. So this is the clear text type. And find a character, and the individual character can be selected from character map, where this computer contains a character map. Many languages are there. These are the collection of languages, and these are the supported character maps. Maximum characters are there. That is any character I can select here. This is copyright sign, so it is the ID and it's copyright sign, and that can be selected and copy, and anywhere I can apply this symbol. So this is Franklin Gothic Demicon. Similarly, any languages option here, you go down, this is arrow mark, this is identical to, but these are the special symbols which are not available in our PC, then you can select it and copy and paste anywhere in this PC and the software. So this is called character map, that is select and copy is there. So next is change font size. It is the display settings, you already know this. And so this is the screen of display settings. Go back to my font panel, and one more thing is left out, is that more information about online. You see with this and on Microsoft side website, it is something different, like who will be register these phones, how can we proceed to register my phones. These all details are given here. This is called typographies. So you see here, yes, this is the Microsoft typography. Microsoft Typography Group researches and develops font technology and support development of open type fonts by independent type vendors, and help the process fonts and typefaces and font vendors and register your vendors, etc. So these are about font settings, and I think it is clear to you that the main thing is that how you will delete, how you will hide, how you will install, that is right click and paste the font, and how you adjust your screen in your font styles, how will you paste a special character from this character map. These are the most important things in your control panel. Thanks for viewing this video. If it is liked by you, please share and click on like button, and also subscribe for continuing viewing my videos. Thank you.